Hello, everyone. I welcome you all with a big smile and an open heart. Before we begin, let me ask you one question. Have you ever felt nervous when someone spoke English in front of you? Have you ever avoided speaking because you thought your English wasn't good enough? Well, today is the day we break that fear. Today, we are going to talk about a language that can change your life. Yes, I'm talking about spoken English. Not just as a subject, but as a superpower that opens doors to the world. Stay with me for the next 30 minutes, and I promise you, this will not just be a lecture. It will be a journey, an emotional, motivational, and eye-opening journey. Imagine this. You are in a job interview. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, but the interviewer speaks in English, and suddenly your confidence disappears. Your heart races. Your voice trembles. Now imagine the same interview, but this time you reply confidently, fluently, and clearly. You speak like a professional. You smile. You succeed. That's the difference spoken English can make in your life. Not just in interviews, but in your daily communication, career, and confidence. English is not just a language, it's a bridge. A bridge that connects people from different states, countries, and cultures. In India, we have 22 official languages and hundreds of dialects. But what is the one language that helps a Bengali talk to a Punjabi? Or a Tamil speaker talk to someone from Kashmir? It's English. And globally, English is the language of international business, science, technology, aviation, diplomacy, and even movies and music. Spoken English gives you access to global information, international jobs, online education, and international communication. Let me share a story. There was a boy from a small village. He had big dreams but little confidence. Every time he heard people speaking English, he would feel small. He would feel broken. One day he decided, enough is enough. He started learning English. Word by word, sentence by sentence. He failed many times. People laughed at him, but he didn't stop. He kept trying. Today, that same boy is giving motivational speeches in English on YouTube, inspiring thousands. That boy could be you. English is not about being perfect, it's about being brave. Look around you. We are living in the digital age, phones, laptops, apps, and artificial intelligence. But what do most apps, websites, software, and even AI like ChatGPT use? English. Whether you're applying for freelancing jobs, doing online business, learning coding, or using social media professionally, spoken English makes you faster, smarter, and more effective. Want to become a YouTuber? Want to start an online course? Want to work remotely with foreign clients? You need one powerful skill: English communication. Myth 1. I'm too old to learn English. Truth. Age doesn't matter. Passion does. Myth 2. I studied in a Bengali Hindi Urdu medium school. I can't learn. Truth. Many successful English speakers came from non-English backgrounds. Myth 3. People will laugh at my mistakes. Truth. The only mistake is not trying. You don't need expensive courses or foreign teachers. You need one. A small notebook, 2. A few minutes daily, 3. A mirror to practice, 4. A few apps like YouTube, Duolingo, or ChatGPT, 5. Most importantly, the mindset. I will do it. Start by learning 5 words a day. Practice speaking daily for 10 minutes. Watch English videos with subtitles. Speak with friends in simple English. A girl from a slum area started watching English cartoons with subtitles. Today, she works in an international call center. A boy from a madrasa started teaching spoken English on YouTube. Now he earns money and respect. A mother of 2 started practicing English during household chores. Now she gives online tuition. These are not fairy tales. These are real people who change their lives. I want you to close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine your dream life. Do you see yourself confident, speaking fluently, getting respect, earning well? Then open your eyes and say with me, I can speak English. I will speak English. This journey will not be easy, but it will be worth it. Thank you for staying with me till the end. If this touched your heart, if this sparked a fire inside you, then don't keep it inside. Share this message. Let the world know we are ready to rise, ready to speak, ready to shine.